Here's my welcoming committee as I return from my bike ride. Just waiting for me to come back. Shades of the birds. It's a little strange. Hi, boys. Yeah. Every night after 6 o'clock, they all return. 20 Southeast 20th.